மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Hello friends, this is your Yoganandam biology lecturer. In this video we are going to discuss another important topic from biology. The topic is human health and diseases. From this topic we are going to discuss most important 30 questions with detailed solutions. Let us discuss the question and answer one by one. Number 1, find the mismatched pair. Cytokine barrier is a form of innate immunity. Here proteins like interferons are produced by virus infected cells, which plays a major role in preventing viral replication, and it also responds to many types of antigens and not just like one specific type of antigen. Saliva in the mouth is an example of physiological barriers, that is, these secretions help to protect the surface they flow over from infection by reducing the pathogenic attachment and duration of contact with bodily surfaces. So the answer for this question is option D. Cytokine barriers, they are given saliva in mouth, that is mismatched. Question number 2, which of the following sentences are correct? Here there are 4 sentences are given. Cancer is one of the most dreaded disease of human beings and is a major cause of death all over the globe. A tumor that spreads and eventually causes ill health and death are described as malignant, and this results from the breakdown of the regulatory mechanism that govern normal cell behavior. In the malignant tumors, the cells divide erratically and show the property of the metastasis. Normal cells show the property called contact inhibition. Because contact with other cells inhibits their uncontrolled growth, cancer cells appear to have lost this property. As a result of this, cancerous cells just continue to divide, giving rise to mass of cells called as tumors. So the answer for this question is option C. From the given 4 statements, first, second and fourth statement are correctly given. Question number 3, match the following. Here there are 2 columns are given, column 1 and column 2. Column 1, active natural immunity is matching with direct contact with the pathogens that have entered inside. Second one, first line of defense, surface barriers. And third one, passive natural immunity, antibodies transferred through the placenta. Second line of defense, complement proteins and interferons. So the correctly matching option is option C. Question number 4, which of the following statements are correct about crack? Coca alkaloid or cocaine is obtained from coca plant, Erythroxylum coca, native to South America. It interferes with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. Cocaine, commonly called as coke or crack, is usually snorted. It has a potent stimulating action on the central nervous system, producing a sense of euphoria and increased energy. Excessive dosage of cocaine causes hallucinations. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given statements, all the statements are correct about crack. Question number 5, which of the following statement regarding different barriers of innate immunity is not correct? There are basically 2 main types of immunities in our body, innate or inborn or non-specific immunity, and acquired or adaptive or specific immunity. Innate immunity is the following types. Physical barriers are also called as anatomical barriers. Skin, hairs in the external nostrils, mucous membranes are the category. Physiological barriers are the related to pH, temperature or chemicals of the body, such as tear, saliva containing lysozymes, wax, cerumen and sebum. Gastric acidic pH are of the category. Cytokine barriers involve non-antibody proteins that are secreted by the infected cells. Interferons secreted due to viral infection, inflammation are in this category. Cellular barrier involves the phagocytic cells like macrophages, leukocytes, natural killer cells, etc. that have the invading properties. So the answer for this question is option B. From the given 4 statements, statement B is incorrect one. mucous membrane lining the respiratory, gastrointestinal, and urinogenital tract help in trapping the microbes and constitute physiological barriers of our body. That is wrongly given. Question number 6. Antigenic determinant sites bind to which portion of an antibody molecule? Antibodies, also referred to as immunoglobulins or glycoproteins naturally produced in response to invading foreign particles, are called as antigens, such as microorganisms and viruses. As such, they play a critical role in immune system defense against infection and disease. Antigenic determinant sites bind to both light chain and heavy chain portions of an antibody molecule at the variable regions. So the answer for this question is option B, both light chain and heavy chain. Question number 7. Which of the following groups of viruses are known to infect the nose and respiratory passage in humans? Rhinoviruses cause one of the most infectious human ailments, the common cold. They infect the nose and respiratory passage but not lungs. The common cold is characterized by nasal congestion and discharge, sore throat, hoarseness, cough, headache, tiredness, etc., which usually lasts for 3 to 7 days. Droplets resulting from cough or sneezes of infected person are either inhaled directly or transmitted through contaminated objects such as pens, books, cup, doorknobs, computer, keyboard, or mouse, etc., and cause infection in healthy person. So the answer for this question is option C, rhinoviruses. Question number 8. The genetic material of HIV is: viruses are subcellular particles which are obligatory, intracellular, and infectious. They are made up of protein and nucleic acid. There is either DNA and RNA, but never both. The material of viruses are can be one of the classes: double stranded DNA, pox virus; single stranded DNA, example paravirus; double stranded RNA, example rice dwarf virus; single stranded RNA, example HIV virus. So the answer for this question is option D, single stranded RNA. Question number 9. Vector for dengue and chikungunya is: disease that results from an infection transmitted to humans and other animals by blood feeding arthropods such as mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas. Example of vector borne diseases including dengue fever, West Nile virus, Lyme disease, and malaria. Aedes aegypti is a vector for transmission of diseases like dengue and chikungunya. So the answer for this question is option D, Aedes mosquito. Question number 10. Plasmodium vivax causes tertian malaria. Benign tertian malaria or vivax malaria is caused by Plasmodium vivax, and it is characterized by the recurrence of fever every third day after 48 hours. This type of malaria does not result in the death of the patient, and the incidence of this disease is worldwide mainly in temperate regions. So the answer for this question is option A, benign tertian malaria. Question number 11. Which of the following is a matching pair of the vector and disease? Elephantiasis or filariasis is a vector-borne infectious disease which is caused by the filarial worm Wucheria bancrofti, and Wucheria malayi. This disease is transmitted to healthy individuals through the bite of infected female Culex fatigans mosquitoes. Symptoms include slowly developing chronic inflammation of the organs in which they live in many years, usually in the lymphatic vessels of the lower limbs. The genital organs are also often affected, resulting in gross deformities. So the answer for this question is option A, filariasis. That is correctly matching one. Question number 12. Disease caused by the biting of Culex mosquito is: filariasis or elephantiasis is caused by a nematode Wucheria bancrofti, which is transmitted through the bite of Culex fatigans mosquito. In this disease, there is a huge enlargement of the diseased, that is affected organ. So the answer for this question is option A, filariasis. Question number 13. The most common cancer in men in India. Due to smoking, alcohol, and tobacco chewing, people with oropharyngeal cancer may notice any of the following symptoms: a painless lump on limp in the mouth or in the throat, sore or ulceration on the lip or inside the mouth that does not heal, painless white patches or red patches on the gums, tongue, or lining of the mouth. So the answer for this question is option C, mouth throat cancer. That is the most common type of cancer in men in India. Question number 14. Cell division or mitosis is a normal process in a living cell, but sudden and abnormal mitosis in an organ will frequently result in a. In our body, cell growth and differentiation is highly controlled and regulated. In cancer cells, there is a breakdown of this regulatory mechanism. Normal cell shows a property called contact inhibition by virtue of which contact with other cells inhibits their uncontrolled growth. Cancer cells appear to have lost this property. As a result of this, cancerous cells just continue to divide, giving rise to mass of the cells called tumors. In other words, cancer cells multiply by abnormal, rapid, and uncontrolled mitosis. So the answer is option D, cancer. Question number 15. Bang and ganja are cannabinoids are a group of chemicals which interact with cannabinoid receptor present principally in the brain. Natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of plant Cannabis sativa. The flower tops, leaves, and resins of cannabis plant are used in various combinations to produce marijuana, hashish, charas, and ganja, generally taken by inhalation and oral. These are known as their effects on the cardiovascular system of the body. So the answer is option A. Extract of hemp plant, Cannabis sativa. Question number 16. The figure is given below shows the modes of action of the AIDS virus. Identify step A, B, C, D, and E labeled in the diagrammatic representation. A represent viral RNA introduced, B represent viral DNA, C represent viral DNA incorporated into host genome, D represent new viral RNA produced, E represent new viruses are produced. So the correct option for this question is option C. Question number 17. The first line of defense in human system provided by. There are basically two main types of immunities in our body: innate or inborn or non-specific immunity, acquired or adaptive or specific immunity. So the answer for this question is option A. Skin and mucous membrane are providing defense in the immune system, the first line. So question number 18. The tendency of the body to manifest a characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome if a regular dose of drugs or alcohol is abruptly discontinued is called as. Dependence is the psychological state of the drug users in which the usual or increasing doses of the drug are required to prevent the onset of the withdrawal symptoms. Physical and mental symptoms that occur after stopping or reducing intake of a drug. The characteristics of withdrawal depend on what drug is being discontinued. Symptoms may be include anxiety, fatigue, sweating, vomiting, depression, seizures, and hallucinations. So the answer for this question is option B, dependence. Question number 19. The rejection of organ transplanting in human is prevented by using. Cyclosporin is used as an immunosuppressant. This drug is derived from fungus called as Trichoderma polysporum and inhibit the activity of helper T cells, thus help to prevent the rejection of organ transplant. So the answer is option B, cyclosporin. Question number 20. Type of antibody that remains attached to mucous membranes of body is. Immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulin A are one of the 5 immunoglobulins found in the blood plasma. These constitute about the 10% of the total antibodies in the human body. Immunoglobulin A are the primary antibodies present in the colostrum. These are also found in the secretions like mucus, saliva, sweat, tears, etc. Immunoglobulin A have a molecular weight of 1,70,000 Dalton. These are associated with the protection of mucous membranes and outer surface of the body and protection from the inhaled ingested pathogens. So the answer for this question is option A, immunoglobulin A. Question number 21. An antibody consists of immunoglobulins or antibodies are glycoproteins made up of 4 polypeptide chains that are linked by the disulfide bonds. There are 2 heavy chains made up of nearly 440 amino acids called H chain. There are 2 light chains made up of nearly 220 amino acids called L chain. Each light and heavy chains are further subdivided into variable and constant regions. The variable portion is generally antigen binding area. The constant region is used for various biological functions like the determination of its adherence, complement, activation, and binding to the cell surface of receptors. So the answer for this question is option A, 2 light peptide chains and 2 heavy peptide chains. Question number 22. Identify the wrong statement. Statement 1. Cocaine is obtained from coca plant. That is correctly given. Second one. Cocaine is a potent depressant for central nervous system. That is the wrong one. Option C. Excessive dosage of cocaine causes hallucinations. That is correct. It interferes with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. That also correct. From the given 4 statements, option B is wrongly given. Cocaine is a potent depressant for central nervous system. Question number 23. The common cold is caused by rhinovirus causes one of the most infectious human ailments called as common cold. This disease is characterized by the infection to the nasal and respiratory tract but not lungs. So the answer for this question is option A, rhinovirus. Question number 24. An intestinal parasite which causes blockage of the intestinal passage and whose eggs are excreted along with the metabolic waste of infected person is Ascaris is a common roundworm is responsible for ascariasis, which is an intestinal parasite. Ascaris is an endoparasite of the small intestine. A large number of adult Ascaris worms normally obstruct the intestinal passage and thereby cause abdominal discomfort and colic pain. Other symptoms include impaired digestion, diarrhea, and vomiting. Eggs of Ascaris are excreted along with the metabolic waste of the infected person. Wucheria bancrofti is called as filarial worm. This is a digenetic parasite which need humans and mosquitoes as host. So the answer is option B, Ascaris. Question number 25. Which of the following pairs correctly matches a disease and a pathogen causing it? Option A, disease typhoid is given caused by Salmonella typhi. That is correctly matching. Disease pneumonia. Causative organism is Haemophilus pneumonia is given. Pneumonia caused by Diplococcus pneumonia. The same time malaria caused by a Plasmodium parasite. Ringworm is a contagious fungal infection. So the correctly matching option is option A. Question number 26. The pathogen Microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in humans belong to the same kingdom as that of Microsporum is a genus of fungi that cause ringworm and other fungal infections of the skin. It belongs to the kingdom fungi and Ascomycota. Rhizopus is a genus of specialized parasite on animal and common saprophytic fungi on plant. It belongs to the kingdom fungi and division Zygomycota. So the correct answer is Rhizopus, a mold. Option C, Rhizopus, a mold. Question number 27. The abbreviation AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, refers to the condition in which there is an occurrence of multiple symptoms which are characteristics of specific condition. AIDS. AIDS is caused due to HIV or human immunodeficiency virus. This virus attacks the cells of the immune system, which lead to the weakening of immune system, which causes the occurrence of opportunistic infections and hence result in AIDS. So the answer is option B, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Question number 28. Identify A, B, C, D, and E in the given diagram of HIV virus. From the given diagrammatic representation, A represent RNA, B represent reverse transcriptase, C represent capsule protein coat, D represent lipid membrane, E represent envelope protein coat. So the correctly matching option is option A. Question number 29. Which of the following approaches are used for the treatment of cancer? Cancer is a malignant neoplasm. The cells of cancer continue to divide without differentiation and thus form malignant tumor. They can also invade other organs by entering the bloodstream and convert normal cells into cancerous cells. This process is called as metastasis. Cancer can be treated by all of these ways: immunotherapy, such as monoclonal antibody therapy, surgery to remove the cancer or much of the cancer as possible, chemotherapy uses drugs to kill cancer cells, radiotherapy that uses high doses of radiation to kill cancer cells and shrink tumors. So the answer for this question is option D. All the three statements approaches are used to treatment of cancer. Question number 30. Humans receptors for opioids are present in. Opioids are the narcotic drugs which bind to the specific opioid receptor present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Heroin, commonly known as smack, is chemically diacetylmorphine, which is a white, odorless, bitter taste, crystalline compound. Heroin is obtained by acetylation of morphine, which is extracted from the latex of poppy plant Papaver somniferum, generally taken by snorting, and is a depressant and slows down body functions. So the answer for this question is option D. In humans, receptors for opioids are present in both A and B, central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Thank you very much for listening this video. All the best. Those who are watching this video, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends.